Hello, my name is CK Jong. I'm going to introduce you how to install Noto Serif font in your PC. It's quite simple and straightforward. You just need to click the button here and save it onto your desktop, right? And you have this one, and unzip it. If you just double click here, you will be able to see all the font files, right? Select all, copy them, and find your C drive and find double click Windows folder, and again double click font folder. You will be able to see a lot of font if you have got a lot, right? And simply paste them. Obviously I've already installed it, so the computer is asking me whether I want to install it again or not. Just say yes, 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 yes. That's it, right? Let's close it. And then if you go to journal homepage and open template file, if you don't have the font, but obviously I've already installed this, so the font you can see here is Noto Serif, right? And that's about it. You can work it from here, right? Thank you.